If you get an error on your hot tub, that like a water flow sensor error, or your heater won't come on because of a water flow sensor, your water flow sensor is stuck open or stuck closed, one of the common problems with is just simply the filter. The filter's clogged. If you've got hard water, like really hard water from the city or it's groundwater, then you need to clean your filter not only with soap, but you also need to clean your filter with muriatic acid. So what you want to do is you want to turn your breaker off, take your filter out. You want to rinse all the dirt, all the stuff on a 5-degree angle on the filter. And then what you want to do is you want to get muriatic acid. You can get it at the pool store, you can get it at the hardware store. The pool store is $20 for 4 liters in Canada. And a bottle of phosphate-free dish soap or powder dish soap, as long as it's phosphate-free. And you mix the muriatic acid 20 to 1, 20 parts water to 1 part muriatic acid. Get a bucket and then put your filter in. And put your filters in for 12 to 15 minutes, set a timer. And then once you take your filters out, you'll have a second bucket. And in the second bucket, you'll do 24 hours of phosphate-free soap and soak the filter for 24 hours. Take the filter out after 24 hours, rinse it off really well, and then set it in the sun and let it totally dry out. And then so you want to have a second set of filters, so you always have one in the machine and one in the hot tub and one getting cleaned on the shelf. And then so turn your hot tub back on and put your filters in, or sorry, put your filters in, then turn your hot tub on, and it should clear the air. If it doesn't clear the air, turn your hot tub off, put the water hose in the hole where you took your water filter or your air or your paper filter out, and turn your hot tub on, and that should clear the air. It's just a water flow problem. So obviously, if you live in the city and you're getting groundwater, you're going to get a lot of calcium buildup in the filter, and the filter just can't get flow through it. So if the muriatic acid will remove all the calcium buildup and all the lime buildup, and then your filter will start flowing again. So you probably don't need a new filter. Filters are expensive. You can probably just use acid or something to clear the filter. Hope this helps somebody out.